Hello everyone, welcome back to our Google Vids tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to create a video starting from scratch from videos we already have on our PC. We are going to create some sort of trailer for our channel. I'm going to show you how. We are going to apply the knowledge that we already have. We will choose a blank video and so basically we start as usual. We are going to insert videos that we already have. I'm going to insert this one first. Perfect. We are going to reduce the size a bit because 14 seconds is a bit too long. Going to add another scene. You can insert another video. All right. Then we are going to insert another scene, insert yet another video. All right. Perfect. Let's do this again. Insert, upload the fourth video. We have 5 videos for now. Okay, forgot maybe to add another scene. Insert, upload. I'm going to upload this one. All right. Now on to the last one. Insert, upload this one. Okay, so as we can see, we have quite a few videos that we need to handle. The best way to do that is playing the video first to see if we put the clips in the correct order. So let's do that. All right, so we do need to swap 2 clips. And the way you want to do it is you grab this clip, you put it here, and that's it. It's really, really easy to use. And now that we have all the clips in the correct order, I'm going to upload the audio, which I have generated. It's a text-to-speech audio. We are going to insert it. Let's upload it. Here we go. Perfect. It is shorter than our clips, so we have to shorten them further. All right. Let's make it match. Perfect. And now let's watch it again and see how it is.
Here you will find video tutorials about apps and programs for computers and mobile devices. The videos are available in both Italian and English, and you can activate the closed captions anytime you want. The tutorials range from absolute beginner courses to advanced knowledge for professionals. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new content.
All right, it is good, but it could be slightly better. So the thing I want to do is shorten this clip here so that it matches the last phrase.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new.
All right, let's see.
Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new content.
All right, should be good now. Maybe let's shorten this one so that we can add a little more to that one. Perfect. And let's see.
Knowledge for professionals. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new content.
Perfect. And now that we have all our clips in the correct order and our audio, we can add a few animations and transitions to our clips. So let's add our transitions. I think the salt could be good in this case. And here, it would be great to make some sort of fade from black since it's already pretty dark. And here you can make it slide. And here I wanted to use slide again, but like this. And I'm going to customize and make it a little more fast. Perfect. And let's see how it turned out.
Here you will find video. Welcome to our channel. Here you will find video tutorials about apps and programs for computers and mobile devices. The videos are available in both Italian and English, and you can activate the closed captions anytime you want. The tutorials range from absolute beginner.
All right, we do need to adjust a few things about the videos. I'm going to make the clips a little longer so that they match. Perfect. Let's watch it again.
Welcome to our channel. Here you will find video tutorials about apps and programs for computers and mobile devices. The videos are available in both Italian and English, and you can activate the closed captions anytime you want. The tutorials range from absolute beginner courses to advanced knowledge for professionals. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new content.
Perfect. Now, we could be done with the video and we could just export it, but I really wanted to add a few things. So we are going to insert. I'm going to insert shapes and lines. And I think, adding some sort of shape could be good in order to maybe make a little banner up here. Also, if you click twice on the shape you've just drawn, you'll be able to write in it. Perfect. And here we have our little banner. We can, of course, change the color, the text. Text can be changed, of course, in any way we want. We can also customize it better. Here it is centered. We have the option to move it on the right, and so on. You can also change the color, put it in italics, in bold, and so on. We can also choose the border color of the whole shape, of course, and the fill here. Perfect. We can, of course, customize everything. We can also add an animation to this shape. We have the rectangle, and we can add an animation. All right, we have the typewriter animation. We have the fade animation. We have the slide animation. We have the rise animation, the scale animation, the spin animation, the breathe animation, elastic side, toaster, pop, stomp. Most of what we have for the clips is right here. There's even more for the text. Okay, I think scale could look good. Then we have loops, which are a bit distracting though, so do not exaggerate with these loops. Bounce, wiggle, and so on. I'm going to choose something a little more, that isn't as distracting. We could separate enter and exit animation, so we can enter with scale and maybe exit with a fade. Let's look at it.
Here you will find video tutorials about apps.
So basically what we did was adding 3 animations. We have added an enter animation, an exit animation, and a loop animation. All right, perfect. Now we basically have everything we need in order to, publish the video. But what if we want to change the proportions of the video? We can, absolutely, through this option, the video size one. And we can choose between 3 sizes. The landscape, which is the YouTube one, the portrait, which is the TikTok and Instagram one, and square is also an Instagram format, but for posts. What if we want to convert it to a reel? When you resize, content will adjust, and you probably need to make a few edits. We already know that. Okay, as you can see here, it does need a few edits. So we are going to do them. The red lines mean that content has been centered. Perfect. You're going to do the same for each clip. Going to center it and see how it looks. We're resizing it. We also have playback options. We can trim, we can loop the video, and so on. You can regulate the volume, even though this video does not have audio. And we have format options, which we have already seen in the last video. And here, we can do the same. Perfect. And here as well. Although I do not think this would fit quite well. So I'm going to put it like this and then change the color of the background. I'm going to make it black so there's no difference. All right, let's watch it from the beginning now.
Here you will find video tutorials about apps and programs for computers and mobile devices. The videos are available in both Italian and English, and you can activate the closed captions anytime you want. The tutorials range from absolute beginner courses to advanced knowledge for professionals. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new content.
Perfect. Now what we can do is basically adding a few subtitles. You can enter the closed captions. We can auto-generate it. And we could upload a file or type manually. For now, we could upload a file, which I do not have right now. So we are going to type. I'm going to select a language. I'm going to select English. We have an option on track title. We can add a caption. And here we can write welcome to our channel. And we could create a new track. We can view also the auto-generated one, which we can copy. And here we have all the auto-generated content that we have. It cannot be edited. To make edits, we can duplicate this track and then upload it onto the video. And so this is it, basically. You add the text, you copy what you have from the subtitles, and just time it really well. And this is everything for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. In the next video, which will be the final one for this series, we will learn how to export and share our content.